sculpture.
For printer.
A giant circle. Cool. This guy, look at that guy. This is different. This is different.
Different.
Yeah. Oh look, it's a cool little view. Damn, we're way up there. We upgraded from an Airbnb from the sparkles to this. It's nice. I'm just waiting for like some twin girls to appear out of nowhere. Oh, there we go. Oh, okay. Yeah, definitely need a better chair. Random chair for people that like to sit and watch people sleep, I think. I don't know. Fucking.
What's that?
Huh? It's like a random chair there in a corner to, if you don't watch me sleep, I guess you could. I
You can
mean,
meditate.
it's a nice long bathtub. You actually stretch out your legs, you're now cramped. Ooh, this is nice. This is actually very nice. It's alright, I like it. Yeah! Look at that beautiful thing. We made it. It's nice and blue, that's for sure. Alright, yeah. Paul upgraded us this year instead of like staying in an Airbnb or whatever. We're staying at the Hyatt. Yeah, you can feel the fanciness right away when you walk in. Holy shit. I skipped a lot of like the traveling part because I just didn't feel like filming all that shit. I mean, whatever. You guys see what the inside of a plane looks like in an airport. Also, like carrying around a bunch of luggage and trying to film at the same time is a pain in the ass. So I'm like, nah, I'm skipping all that.
I did that.
Paul did that. So we're basically obviously in the tourist area, and we're gonna look for something to eat before we pass out. Or probably is, most likely. I'm gonna stay up and like set up my workstation. It's like what, 6 o'clock right now? Right?
It's 7:30.
It's actually 7:30 right now, so yeah, I'm gonna try to see if I can like get like a normal sleep pattern. My girlfriend gave me a bunch of drugs, so it's gonna help me to sleep. Just basically melatonin and Benadryl. I actually took Benadryl and melatonin on the plane, and like it knocked me out right away. So that actually helped. Yeah, hopefully with the help of sleep aids, I can like get a normal sleep pattern going. Cause yeah, it's, jet lag sucks. Last time it took me almost like a week to get it settled in. Yeah, it's no fun.
Just have to go back home.
Yeah, I don't want to do that. So I'm trying something different to like reset my schedule, my sleep pattern, because I don't like that. So we're like in like it's not really like, is it like a fashion district in a way? Yeah. There's always like an area here where there's like live music, people performing on the streets and all that. Oh look, possible. No, it's NVIDIA. You can buy like a GPU here probably. So this is a ATT for fun. It's like a little shopping district, and like there's clubs here, actually restaurants. So you have like the Taipei 101 area over here, and then like to the left of that, this is like a whole like entertainment center here. They have an arcade. They have like theaters, a lot of activities, And randomly, a fucking NVIDIA. Oh look, we got Jensen there. Funny. It was random. Funny. I'm curious to see what they have to sell. Oh no way. Let me see if I can zoom in this. It's like Jensen print shirts. Look at the pocket. It's like little Jensen the AI character. Funny. Yeah, so this is more of like a youth area where people hang out. Oh, we got DJ. John, this is new. I don't remember this.
Yeah, that's good.
It's like how, yeah. All right. All right, I'm walking away from that before I get a copyright claim. Yeah, guys just drumming along here. Yeah, right now it's nice because it recently rained a bit, so it's like chill. Also, like the sun is gone, so it's not fucking blazing hot. So yeah, you got just about everything here. It's like, you know, Western style, like nightclubs or bars and all that crap. I have been to like English style pubs here in Taiwan. I've been invited to. Like, you know, have European beer and all that. Yeah, that's pretty good. I know if you go, I think somewhere in here, there's like a food court. There's a food court in here somewhere. I don't know. I think it's by where the theater is at. All right. Yeah, we can go upstairs. All right, so this is one of the areas for the ATT for fun. It's like there's a theater up here, but we're looking for like the food court. Let's see. Yeah, so this is like the escalator to go upstairs for. This is to enter like the theater. You got this guy. Oh yeah, there's a food court here. So cross shop. Yep, sure enough, here it is. The food court I was talking about. I'm probably just gonna walk around and film just so you can see the environment as I'm seeing it. You want the Thai noodles? Oh no, I heard you say Thai noodles, so yeah. Okay. Well, there's a Burger King there.
Okay, first day we gotta.
I know. We just show up. We're like, oh, let's get American food. It's like, I don't know. We agreed on a curry place to get some fried chicken, or casa chicken. So, thank you. Nice. You can see I'm already sweating. It's so hot and humid here. That's our welcoming hug from Taiwan. That's all the humidity. There, that was good. That was a good fucking curry, actually. That was really good. I don't like filming myself eat, so yeah, I didn't film any of that. But I took a picture of it, so I'll just add it here. But yeah, there you go. We're just gonna head back to like the room. It's like 8 o'clock for me p.m. So I'm gonna see if I can stay up to like 11 the most. I'm just gonna set up the my little workstation and get that going just to get a head start. So yeah, this is a cool little spot to hang out. They've had a lot of activity here at night. You know, you got music, people performing on the streets, theater. More down that way actually. There's more like Western style restaurants. So yeah, you come here, you can find just about everything you need, and plenty to do. So I just want to film this and talk about it so I don't have to do it later. But yeah, actually this place is really cool. Look at that. Nice chandelier. You got the real flowers too. AC, how beautiful is this? It's beautiful, Paul. Nice pick. Nothing but the best for me. Yeah, happy editor or happy better videos, I guess. I don't know. Alright, this is nice. It's very nice.